What's the name of your opponent? Where you from? Australia. Okay, let's go. Australia versus Filipino. Okay. Boss, magpatalo-talo ka rin, boss. Magpatalo-talo ka rin. Magpatalo-talo ka rin. Hey. Yeah, I thought that Australian people is strong. Is strong. Yeah. I thought that everything moment. Agay. Agay. Hey, boss. Hey. Come on, bro. Hey. Come on, bro. Ay, my God. Woo! Why you lose Filipino, ha? Makaitak-atik mo. My God. Wala na. Woo! Okay.
I buy you one. I will buy you one.